Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to SketchUp for 3D Design. In this episode, we are going to add the dining room table and chairs. Let's go back to styles and X-ray mode. That'll show us where the table is, and it looks like a simple square table. But however, tables are off the ground, so I can't just make it a box on the ground. Chairs are also difficult, so this one might take a little bit of time um, to create. I can't just go like that. That's not how tables work. So, but this is where my table should be with some chairs around it. It's going to definitely take, I'm going to move it. See how I'm moving it? Just kind of creeping it over this way. I would like it to be a little bit more. Wow, that's right in the way of the front door. That's terrible planning. It needs to be the other way then. So this is a tight space. This is a small cabin, really, really small. So you walk in and there's the table. So tables are tough. You need to have an eating space, and and chairs are even harder. So I have an idea. So when I say you have to have tables and chairs, I'm going to change that to you have to have an eating area. See, it helps that I'm doing this with you because I sometimes realize some of the things I need to change. So, and this is one of them. So I'm going to make I don't have an island. And I was talking about if I had room, I would make another countertop, right? Remember that? That was in a previous video. I'm like, hey, um, if I had room, I'd put another countertop over here. So this could be like a bar area. So just right here, you just shimmy up to the bar. How do I make it look like a bar? Um, I mean, you need to really have some space underneath. And I'm just thinking something pretty simple. Make sure you highlight it and then push it in um, like that. Look at that. Instant countertop. That was genius. So we do need to paint it. So paint bucket colors. This goes back to stone. This is dark stone, so it matches the kitchen, and then just the top. No, maybe the sides too, and then it's always like a. I mean, this is the thickness of the granite right there, supposedly, right? So they don't match. So let me see if I can. There's two things I can do. One, oh, that's the wrong color in there too. One, I can push it in just a little bit, and here, push that up or down, either way. But I'm going to go up. So it's about the same thickness. It's close as that. Okay, and then I think I just used colors. I used either either black. Maybe it wasn't that. Maybe it was this. And this is the color of the actual thing. And so the granite would not come down all the way. The granite would be that. And then this would be that. Okay, and I think we're good. So let's just zoom out, find my place again. Okay, let's just see how that looks. Click off of that. So it's not bad. And then it meets the rules. I need to have a couple stools here. So how do you make a stool? Good question. I know the top is going to be round, but what about the bottom? Wow, how do you make chairs or stools? So you'll need to make, I'm going to say at least two. So 2 stools or 2 chairs around a table or an eating area. And again, don't cheat and just go like this. I mean, make sure you select it. I mean, come on, right? However, could I do small circle? Bink. Pull it up. I don't need to be showing you my tricks, or my thought process. I'm thinking, let's find the middle of that and go out. Boink, like that. And then if I delete the top of that, the circle. Ooh. Okay. We'll deal with that in a second. Let's go up and up. I really would like to get rid of that inside circle. I'm thinking the way to do that might be to push this down, draw a line across it, fill it in, then delete. I love outsmarting SketchUp. Love it. So there's always a way. Now that circle on the bottom might be a little too thick, but it works. And I think what we want to do is maybe make the this metal. Oh, we want to make it stand out though, for sure. Everything is a little bit too dark. What color? Not crazy. What color could we use? Oh yeah. You know, something different. Just some color. This guy needs some color in his life. So red is probably a little too much. Everything else is just dark, grays, boring. But I mean, it does match. So I'll let you decide on your color scheme. I'm not grading you on that. Here's what I would do since I need to make 2. Highlight it, right click, make a group. Here's a trick. Choose the move tool, click the control key once, grab it and drag. It makes a copy. And I'm done. How cool is that? Did you catch that? Choose the move tool, click control once, and then just click, and on the one thing you want, slide it over, you have another one. So I didn't have to do that again. I mean, it actually 3 would look really good right here. So let's try that again. So move tool, click control, click drag, and you make another one. So there's 3. It probably would be polite to move these in when they're not when they're not in use. So yes, I can actually do that, and maybe put them in slightly different places just to show that they're movable. Technically, they don't really have any legs, so they wouldn't be the most sturdy thing in the world, but you get the idea. I mean, I could make them permanent, put them in the ground, but I think that'll work. So, okay, well, we've downloaded something. That was my sink faucet. We have made a cute bed, pillows, sheets, blankets. We put flooring in. Wasn't planning on doing that, but did it. Flooring in the bathroom is different than flooring every place else, and so I'm going to make that a requirement too. I love that idea. So flooring in the bathroom is different than flooring every place else. We made a custom couch or 2, custom chair and a couch, and an end table. Really should have something on that end table, but that's for another day. And then an eating area with at least 2 chairs or stools. There you have it. Thanks for joining me for this episode. I'll catch you next time. We will work on the bathroom. For now, though, Mr. Johns is out.